May deadline na. Tapos na? Tapos na lang.
Okay nga. Tapos na.
Welcome to Bicol University!
A place where we value quality education that shapes our future. A place where we nurture transformative and effective leaders.
Place where collaboration and service to others are at the heart of everything we do.
And last but not the least, a place that fosters good character and cultivates sustainable society.
For us, communication isn't just a skill, it's our voice, our passion, our way of making an impact. And at Bicol University, we turn that passion into profession.
Bicol University, a prestigious institution in the heart of the Bicol region, was founded with a bold vision to empower minds, shape futures, and elevate the quality of education. Established on June 21, 1969 through Republic Act 5521, the university's journey began with a promise to create opportunities for students to thrive.
From its humble beginnings to becoming a beacon of academic excellence, Bicol University stands as a testament to the power of knowledge, service, and leadership. We don't just build careers, we shape change makers.
Welcome to the college where the communication majors belong. The College of Arts and Letters! Established on September 10, 2004, BUCAL was created as a strategic response to the evolving landscape of higher education. Rooted in the university's comprehensive development plan, it aims to cultivate graduates with strong, creative, and critical thinking skills. Over the years, BUCAL has played a vital role in enriching the intellectual and cultural fabric of the Bicol region.
Here at the College of Arts and Letters, creativity meets purpose. Our students don't just tell stories, they shape perspectives, challenge ideas, and incorporate art and passion into everything we do.
The heart of the College of Arts and Letters lies dynamic storytellers, visionaries, and media professionals. The Communication Department.
Tibay mo talaga kung ka talaga. Kaso, may kulang. Ano? Convincing statement. Arog ka ini. Yes, ikaw. Mahilig ka ba sa editing, filming, directing, or public speaking? O kaya naman gusto mo matuto ng media skills? If you have a story to tell, a vision to share, or a passion to create, this is a place for you.
Ano na ka ba mag-edit? Ikaw, kayo, alam ba kung paano ang close-up shot? Ganito.
Ang medium shot, ganito.
Ganito.
Ganun pala yun.
Yes.
Thanks, Com.
Pero bakit ka bang pinag-code?
Ako kasi, gusto ko sa documentaries, yung pupunta ka somewhere far away. Gusto ko kasi magsulat. Gusto ko maging scriptwriter. Gusto ko kasi mag-explore sa editing at maging editor.
Mahilig kasi ako sa mga concerts, kaya gusto ko maging concert producer.
Ako naman, ako yung cameraman ng video ito.
Communication might just be the right choice for you.